Have you ever wondered, like, what could happen if you just dedicate your 28 days to change your every aspect of your life? Don't know? Let's find out together. Hello everyone, I'm Ankit. So today, I'm not just gonna start a new series. This is my journey towards changing my self-belief and giving myself a proof of discipline and consistency. And I got the best thing how to do it. It's monk mode. If you don't know what monk mode is like you dedicate a certain period of days, maybe 21 days, maybe 3 months, 6 months. It totally depends upon your goal, and you cut off your social life. You like no distraction, zero distraction, just completely focus on a thing. But for me, I don't want to cut off my social life because there's no point of doing it. And my main goal is to get good marks in my final exams. I have 5 exams. It's from 7th to 28th of May. According to my goal, I'm going to follow some certain period of thing for 28 days, no matter what. This is the baseline. I can't skip anything from this. So what we're gonna do in this? We're gonna wake up in the morning at 5:30, 3 hours of deep work, going to the gym at least 4 days in a week. And if I'm not going to the gym, I will go for the walk for 5 kilometers, read book 10 pages every day, read Bhagavad Gita, and I'm just reading like 5 phrases every day from Bhagavad Gita because I'm just taking Bhagavad Gita as a long-term thing. Even if I finish my book, I'm gonna read it again. Chanting, 10 minutes of meditation, consuming same calories every day, like 2200 calories, 120 to 140 grams of protein every day for 28 days. Like after doing all my things, I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes every day. Basically, it's for the reflection time. I'm gonna just see like where I failed and where I was failing and how I tackled it, all this thing, just to give negative feedback to my brain. First, next day, it will prepare for that. Like if I face the same problem again, my brain is ready to tackle it because I have already told it. I'm going to show you how my day will look like. Wake up in the morning at 5:30. From 6:30 to 11, I'm going to study like 3 hours in between them. Then get ready for the gym, go to the gym, come back home, prepare meal, have meal. When I will have meal, then I'm going to study again for 2 hours. After that, I will just give myself a time, like on my thing. Maybe I will edit videos, maybe I will just research something, maybe I will read something. So it's like for my time, but I'm not going to use it for like watching reels or anything. So I'm not going to waste that time, but it's for me, and I will decide every day accordingly like what I need to do. For example, I have to study more, so I'm going to use that time as a study. Or if I'm not studying, maybe I will just put that time or use that time for something else. Okay, I told you about how a day will look like. But how are we going to track it, right? We need some motivation to like watch our previous days, how we did it, kind of gives us the motivation to do it. So don't worry about that. There is one app, Notion. So we're going to track all these tasks like I have decided to do it for 28 days. I have made a template of it. I'm going to put in the description so you can also download it. If you want to follow the same thing, you can follow it. And if you want to make any changes in that, you can just make changes according to your day. And for my diet plan, I'm going to use my MyFitnessPal app. I know if it sounds like it's so easy, but doing it for 28 days consistently without any excuse, it will be hard. But I know that, and I will get this. And that's why I didn't make anything like fucking huge plan, like I'm gonna do this, because I know that if I make a harder plan, I will not be able to follow it, right? That's why I make a plan. It's not too easy, it's not too hard, it's kind of moderate. If you think like he's only doing for 28 days, no, I'm gonna do it for 28 days. Then after that, I'm gonna go for like something else for 28 days again, maybe 60 days. So according to my plan, but this is my first step towards my self-discipline and self-consistency, changing my self-image, self-belief. So this is the best thing, and you should also do it. So what are we gonna learn from this thing? We're gonna learn about the self-discipline, consistency, and we're gonna change our self-image. The main thing is that changing our self-belief, what you feel about yourself. Everything's changed, bro. Like you feel so different. Everything will be easier for you because the main thing is discipline and consistent. It's not hard to lift heavy weight. It's hard to do it every day. Are you getting my point? Hardest thing is to do it every day. Do it for a long period of time. Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. We are not running for a shorter period of time. While chasing that goal, we're going to learn a lot of more things, like how to tackle a problem, how your brain will trick you to not to wake up, just to sleep more, 1 more hour, half an hour more. I'm not going to post every day because I know I have exams too, I have to prepare, I have to go for the exams too. I'm going to record every day, but my videos will be like kind of shorter. I don't want to just show it like what I'm doing because every day will be same, right? There's no point to show everything every day. In one video, I'm going to share 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3, and I will post 3 days on the 4th day. I have set a reward for myself. There is one big event in my university. It's a summer ball. and I have booked the ticket for it, and I applied for the lucky draw. Only 300 students got that, and I was the luckiest one in that, so I got that ticket in £60, and the ticket was £80. And if I follow this for 28 days, then I'm only gonna go to summer bowl, otherwise I will not go. So yeah, the stakes are very high. I have to do this without any failure, and I know I can do this because I have already done previously, and even that time I didn't record it myself, even though I was so disciplined. If I posted this video, I have to do this. There is no option, there is no fallback. And like, you should also record every day. If you want to post it, it's your choice. If you don't want to post it, it's fine. And one thing, there is no tomorrow. You have to do it today. If you want to make your future self proud, you have to take decisions today. If you want to save money for something, you have to save a penny or maybe a pound today. So this is how things work for me. So I know it's going to be hard. Some of the days will be rough. Some of the days will be good. So yeah, keep doing it and don't fail each time. Love you.